Welcome to Tangle's app. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to make a deposit on Tangle. First, let's connect Wallet to get started. After connecting your wallet, here you can view and manage TNT balances on Tangle. And here you can explore the vaults available to start restaking. This is your available token balance on Tangle. This is your total deposit balances in the restake vault. Here this shows the remaining deposit rewards per annual for each restaking vault, and the total value locked, as well as the maximum capacity of the vault. Let's get started on restaking by making a deposit. To restake, deposit some tokens. Here you will see the list of tokens you have in your wallet on Tangle. Don't have any tokens on Tangle yet? You can bridge some over by visiting the Bridge app. You can view and select the deposit amount in your wallet. Note that by making a deposit, your funds will be subjected to a withdrawal period from the vault. Select Deposit and sign the transaction with your wallet. Once the transaction has been completed, your deposit balance will be updated and start earning points and rewards. After a period of time, you will be able to view your TNT rewards and claim them. You will also be earning experience points from making a deposit, which will make you eligible for future airdrop.